What's up guys, how's it going? Today I'm in my hometown in Brazil and it's been a while since I've been here. So tonight I'm going to meet some friends. Now I'm going to meet Gabriel and we will go to buy some food and we are going to make a barbecue. I'll take you together with me. Let's go. What are we eating today? What's up guys, so we are going to make a nice picanha, some strip loin and then some sirloin cuts. Let's go. Osti, everybody was missing you, say hi.
Hi my friend. Cheers.
I know I shouldn't be in love,
Vai Simba! Pegou tua bolinha, Simba? Fazendo um brinde da galera aí.
Isso é muito importante para nós estar presente com você aqui, meu irmão.
Saúde, galera.
Tem que carregar energias. Saúde, cheers.